Hi there, Alana here from teachtraffic.com, and in today's video on our YouTube channel I'm going to be talking all about Google Ads for a dental practice specifically. And funny thing is, I actually used to run a specialized Google ad agency that focused just on dentists. So I know this space very, very well. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the different types of campaigns that I found were successful for a dental practice that obviously you can run too for your own account. Sound good? So let's get stuck right in. But before we do, if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell button so that you never miss a future episode. All right, so over the years of running so many Google ad accounts for dental practices, you get a sense of what works and what really doesn't work. And over the years, what I found the progression happened is that it becomes very much a mobile campaign. It's a sort of a mobile query that people do. Not always, but you'll find that there's really a lot more impressions that are available for a mobile device than for a desktop. Okay, so therefore, with a very mobile type inquiry, you need to think of a mobile strategy. So one key keyword, which always was such a winner when I was running, ad campaigns for dentists, was, dentist near me, which is a very, very mobile-centric keyword. And obviously, someone is in a certain location, they're on their phone, maybe something's happened to them in their mouth, and they just write "dentist near me," and it goes obviously as per their location. With the GPS to find a dental practice near them. Okay, so we had a lot of success and still continue to have a lot of success running that keyword, dentist near me. What I would do is I would put it in its own campaign with its own budget and possibly even turn desktop off for it. And you can maybe even make it a call only campaign that way. So you're just getting the phone to ring straight away. Okay. The other type of campaign that we would run is a campaign with very tight location targeting. So, very small geographical radius around the dental practice. And we would go after generic type keywords. So, for example, I am in Sydney, Australia, and let's just pick a really famous suburb in Sydney called Bondi, right? So let's say the dental practice was in Bondi. We would put a radius of about 5 miles around Bondi, and we would bid on Dentist Sydney, but with very, very tight location targeting. So imagine a scenario of someone is in the region physically of where my client's dental practice is. And what they're going to do is someone types a very general type query like Dentist Sydney, but we know that they're actually situated within a close proximity to where my client's practice is. Okay, and so we go for very generic type keywords, but we wouldn't do that for all of Sydney, which is vast, and someone's not going to travel an hour away to see a dentist. So we do that with very tight location targeting, and we go after general queries. Okay, so that's the second type of campaign that we're going to run. And the third type of campaign that we're going to run, which is often get the best success, is think of it like the opposite of the one that I just described, where we do quite wide location targeting. So we might target all of Sydney, right? But we're going to bid on specific suburbs. So dentist, Bondi, dentist, and all the different suburbs that people might be searching for a dentist right? And the reason we want to do this is because sometimes people are sitting in their office, which is on the other side of town, but they live in that area. And so we want to cater for the fact that, at the time of them searching, they might not be physically in that location of where the dental practice is, be it, they've maybe gone to visit a friend or they're sitting in the office or whatever. But we know that they're looking for a dentist in that suburb because they've literally just searched for it. Okay, so we can account for wider location targeting using this method, and then we bid on those separate suburbs. Okay, I do like to create separate ad groups for the different suburbs, mainly so I can write ad copy related to it. And for a long time, I used to tailor the ad copy as per the suburb keyword that I was bidding on. But a bit of a hot tip, what I used to find was it didn't it used to lead to frustration where people might call and phone and say, yeah, I'm looking for, a dentist in this area, and they're not actually in that area. Might be nearby, but so by, you don't want to claim, in my experience, that you're in that suburb if you're not really. So whilst you might want to bid on those other keywords for those other suburbs, in the ad copy, I would say the real location for that dental practice. Okay, so they're really the three core campaigns that you want to run for Google Ads for dentists. There are other types of one which for procedures. They're very expensive keywords, and I find that often, for example, dental implants. You might want to do like dental implants near me. I don't know. I personally found that, or dental implants dentist or something like that, and I personally found that it led to a lot of people who are shopping around. So, for example, I don't know anything about if I need implants or veneers, for example, or root canal. I go to my dentist to get that opinion. So it's a situation where somebody's gone to their dentist has said, all right, you need implants, told them the cost, and they've gone, oh my God, I'm not paying that, and now I'm going to shop around and find someone who can do it cheaper. So if you've got a dental practice or you're running ads for a dental practice where they're trying to go after not that type of patient, that sort of very budget conscious person who is going to, go to someone else who's, a couple of $100 cheaper, then I personally wouldn't recommend bidding on those type of keywords, because that's what we found. Okay, so that's very, very high level. I actually have a course, Google Ads for Dentists, where I walk you through exactly what I've done and how to do it. And you can check it out in the link below. And it's just a standalone course that you can purchase, and I'll walk you through exactly step by step how to do that. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Cheers.